With Samsung set to unveil its latest flagship series in under 2 days, leaker Evan Blass has shared marketing materials for the Galaxy S25 series. The promotional images highlight an extensive list of features, including the much-anticipated Galaxy AI, and provide a quick overview of key specifications such as screen sizes, camera resolutions, and even a focus on RCS texting capabilities. Before moving on, here's a quick reminder. Only 1 day left to join the $5,000 Samsung giveaway for the S25 launch. The link is in the description box. Click on it and enter your first name, last name, and email. It's completely free to participate. Hurry up and reserve your spot because time is running out. Don't miss this amazing opportunity. Now let's talk about the promotional images. One promotional image for the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus includes fine print revealing that Galaxy AI features will be free through 2025, although a Samsung account is required. Samsung also advertises its daily news briefing for Galaxy users, offering updates on the latest weather, top stories, and more delivered in the morning and refreshed in the evening. The marketing material also emphasizes the Series Night Video with Audio Eraser feature. This AI-driven capability enables users to record vibrant videos in low light while addressing 2 types of noise. It reduces video noise, which often appears as graininess in low-light recordings, and audio noise, which includes distracting background sounds that interfere with the natural audio of a recording. Additionally, Samsung showcases the front-facing selfie cameras, designed to deliver lifelike selfies with natural skin tones and textures. The leaked materials confirm previously rumored specifications such as the screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the Galaxy S25, 6.7 inches for the Galaxy S25 Plus, and 6.9 inches for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Camera resolutions include 50-megapixel main cameras for both the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts an impressive 200-megapixel main sensor. Battery capacities also differ across the models, with the Galaxy S25 featuring a 4,000 mAh cell, the Galaxy S25 Plus a 4,900 mAh cell, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra packing a 5,000 mAh battery. As expected, only the Galaxy S25 Ultra includes the S Pen accessory bundled in the box. Samsung further highlights its Smart Switch feature, which enables users to safely and efficiently transfer photos, videos, apps, music, contacts, and conversations to a new device. The Samsung Digital Wallet is also promoted, offering a secure place to store credit cards, hotel room keys, boarding passes, and more. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. Here we have the first official hands-on photos and video of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Watch this video till the end. First of all, let's talk about the photos. A Twitter user, FeeneyBook, posted 2 photos of the Samsung S25 Ultra. The first photo shows the back of the phone in the S25 Ultra box. It's titanium blue color. The second photo shows the front of the phone. Honestly, the front photo looks fake. Also, Ice Universe confirmed this and says that this is a forgery of Meizu 21 Pro. It's not the S25 Ultra. What's your thoughts on this? Comment below. Now let's talk about the video. It's a leaked promo video that we also saw recently. But now the video posted by Evan Blass is in high quality and without any watermark. In this video, we can see the Galaxy S25 Ultra clearly. It looks beautiful. This video has revealed exciting new AI-powered features coming to these devices. The company is placing significant emphasis on in-device AI integration, introducing a feature called Now Bar. This bar appears on the lock screen at the bottom, nestled between the 2 shortcut buttons. Users can swipe up or down to toggle through these bars, which adapt to your device usage patterns. The phone will provide daily briefings with personalized information, including weather updates, health data like sleep insights, and more. Enhanced AI integration. In addition to Bixby, Samsung is integrating Google's Gemini AI for advanced functionality. Gemini will assist with voice commands and streamline tasks like sending a message with a location address. With one-tap confirmation, users can finalize actions effortlessly. Samsung may unveil even more AI-powered capabilities for the Galaxy S25 series later. Improved night mode. The leaked video showcases significant improvements in nighttime videography. A direct comparison of night mode on and off highlights the stark difference, promising better low-light performance. Audio eraser. Building on the Magic Eraser tool for photos, the Galaxy S25 series introduces Audio Eraser. This new feature, part of the Galaxy AI suite, allows users to edit or mute specific audio elements in video clips. Accessible through the Gallery app, the feature provides easy-to-use controls that appear during video previews. Users can adjust background voices, music, wind, crowd noise, and more by scrubbing a bar left or right to modify the sound levels. This tool supports common video formats and can target 6 types of sounds: voice/speech, music, noise, crowd, nature, and wind. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a powerhouse of innovation, making everyday tasks smarter and more efficient. Ahead of the highly anticipated January 22 launch event, details about the Galaxy S25's upcoming Galaxy AI features have surfaced. These features include YouTube video summarization, music identification, enhanced routines, and a homework assistant. By the way, if you haven't done reservation for the Galaxy S25 series, do that because you can even win up to $5,000 Samsung credit. Link is in the description below. The Galaxy S24 marks Samsung's debut of Galaxy AI, and since then the company has steadily expanded its AI capabilities. With the Galaxy S25, Samsung aims to introduce even more tools designed to simplify daily tasks, from entertainment to productivity. According to tipster Ahmed Quater, the following Galaxy AI features are expected to debut with the Galaxy S25 series. YouTube Notes generates a text summary of a YouTube video's content and saves it directly to the Samsung Notes app. Music Search identifies songs and their artists. It's unclear whether this applies to music played on the phone or in the surrounding environment. Homework AI, similar to Google's Circle to Search, this feature assists in solving equations, providing a step-by-step breakdown. Routines. Galaxy AI will suggest personalized routines such as recommending apps for driving, music to play, or navigation routes using GPS. It remains uncertain which of these features leverage Google's Gemini AI and which are powered by Samsung's proprietary Gauss AI. Another tipster, Chunbai, mentioned that the Galaxy S25 will include exclusive AI features driven by Google Gemini, with more details expected soon. The Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, is likely to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally. With its upgraded NPU for advanced on-device AI processing, some of the features may remain exclusive to these new models. Are you excited for these new AI features? Let me know in the comment section. For today, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.